guys, welcome back, and today we are playing Don't Press the Button.
There's a falling Doge head right here.
It's pretty weird, so let's jump into it.
Oh no, a Doge killed me. A Doge head killed me.
Oh, it says don't move, so you're not supposed to move. Wait, can I move now? Okay. Quick, Doge incoming lasers. No, there's lasers. Ah!
No, I died.
I died. Oh, we can get diamonds.
No, you said Doge. Doge the incoming laser. It's dodge the incoming
Oh, I thought it said Doge. Get that coin.
Oh, there's falling.
Doge heads!
Oh.
Wait, what if you touch a Doge head? Do you die if you touch it?
If it rolls out of you.
There's a Doge right here.
So you see these.
Ah!
So you see these Doge head icons, like not the ones that are spinning.
Yeah.
Those show you where they are.
This is crazy.
I can't even press the button.
I'm rolling on it.
I can't even press the button. Stay here and you'll be safe.
Is it just like rolling?
Stop killing me. I pressed it.
Ha! You died. Oh, I died too.
What?
Oh, push it under the base plate. There's a bomb. Get it out. Get it out. Get it out.
I got it out.
Okay. Now let's press the button.
I got the gun.
Uh-oh, the button has disappeared. Press the button if you found it. Oh, someone found the button.
Oh, I found the gun.
Can you finish the maze before it disappears?
This is a funny
I'm a god at mazes.
I'm a super noob at mazes. It's just going
This
in one
is
path.
so crowded.
It's just going in one path. They're all dead ends.
We're just always going this.
Wait, I feel like that's the wrong way. Yeah, you just go here.
This way, this way, this way, this way.
I'm alone.
No, I'm behind you.
No.
I used to be. Okay, it's there. Dead end. I don't think there is actually like bots. I don't think it's actually possible.
There is it.
This is so hard. This is so hard. This is so hard. Wait, is this a dead end? Wait. I'm gonna go this way. Down here. Over here. I'm walking. This is impossible. I can't find it.
Dead end? This is actually impossible. Yeah, I don't think there's an exit to
I don't think it's supposed to be possible. I think I'll just wait for it to end.
Wait.
I'll go first person. 4, 3, 2, 1. We lost.
Oh my
and
God.
I just got off the map. I'm still alive. Am I? No, I died. Okay, we're back.
Oh,
What is this? It's an obby.
Me? Don't die. Don't die, Daniel!
Did you die?
Yes.
My game's lagging.
I suck.
No, I died. How long do we have to beat it?
I have no idea.
I'm gonna go to shop.
What can you get in the
Particle shop. Fire confetti bees. Item shop.
What can you get in
Speed
the
coil.
shop? I would like the speed coil. Then I can get like all the gems.
Do I have enough coins?
I'm way past the local. I'm like over here.
Oh no, I only have 70.
Oh!
Exits.
No! Why are we up so fast? Is this some kind of speed game?
What are we doing? Are we just supposed to collect the coins or something? Like diamonds?
I think there's gonna be an odyssey if I jump off the map.
I'm zooming. What the frick? The map just disappeared from me. Get to the hole in the wall.
Wait. Oh, no.
Ah!
I did it, but it still killed me.
Hmm? Press the button. Oh, hole in the wall.
Let's see. This again. Oh, I'm safe.
Wait, what?
Oh, I'm so
How did I die though?
I pressed it. This is the speed one again. Oh, I know what you're supposed to do.
You're supposed to run off the
You're
map.
supposed to run around this so you don't fall off the
Oh
map.
yeah.
I'm trying to run around the button, but I'm so fast I can't. I'm just gonna stay here.
We're gonna collect some diamonds.
I'm just gonna stay here. I think the purpose of this thing is just collect the diamonds, but faster.
There, we did it. We survived. What the heck?
What the heck?
Oh, it's a banana! It's a banana!
What can you get in the shop?
It's a banana! It's a banana! Oh my gosh.
Money bag.
I just died. Oh my gosh! Oh. Am I safe? Oh, I'm safe. In this box.
Epic duck.
I'm in the box.
I would like a sweet color. How many coins do I have?
Monies!
Monies.
My monies.
My monies. Give me the monies.
Okay, the monies are gone. Watch out, boulders up.
Oh, somebody has a money bag. Did I get money from that?
It just,
Oh, I didn't get money.
it got smooshed by a boulder.
Press the button, I press the button. Tsunami incoming.
We're supposed to get in or something?
Wait, what?
We're supposed to get up here.
Oh. Like this?
Oh!
No!
No, I died!
Died. I'm pressing the button. Where's the button?
I'm spamming it.
Oh, there's dog heads.
Ah, those heads!
Go on the button. That's how you get safety. Unless somebody pushes it up.
I'm on the thing. Hey, you're spamming the button when I was spamming.
I clicked it.
But I'm gonna turn on my sound. I'm gonna see how it is. What's this?
Oh, one of these is the wrong corner.
Oh, I went into one of them.
Going to yellow.
I'm going to blue. No! The blue one fell! That's mean. I'm going blue. Now I'm just in the air doing nothing. I'm gonna go get something real quick.
No! That was fun. Michael, I'm pressing the button. You're gonna die. Oh, these are like activities. Like the dog heads don't really play like it. This is kind of like an activity. The dog heads don't kill you. Look. Baldi joins. Oh, Baldi kills you? Slap. Baldy actually killed him. Try to kill me. Can't kill me! No, you did.
Oh, he actually didn't kill me.
I just jumped on his head. Baldy. Wait, lava is rising? Wait, lava is rising. Wait, how? It's impossible.
Ah! I died.
Eddie and me are man.
But I said, yeah. Well, that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next video.